Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you all fine and good. If you are new here, so please subscribe my YouTube channel or press the bell icon for more videos. So now back to our topic. Let's praise legal jobs. Why should you consider them? What do you think about the article? Rate is using this for graduation. Now, what paying position exists before commuting yourself to a specialization? Know more about the perks and financial gain for an immigration and public law practice. So what do you want to know about different things? The lowest paid legal jobs are typically those in the public sector, such as the district attorney or public defenders. Lawyers in these positions often makes just above minimum wage. However, many of these so you can see these positions often make just above minimum wage. However, many of these lawyers chose this career path because they want to help poor people and make opportunities for those willing to work hard, take an extra responsibilities, or work allow client to make the most money. For graduates fresh out of law school, just you must know what paying positions exist before committing yourself to a specialization. However, they should for graduates fresh out of law schools, you must know what paying position exists before commuting. So I hope you all like my video.